Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to set a custom playing status on your Discord, and trust me, it's very easy and simple. There's nothing complicated. Just make sure to watch this video all the way to the end to learn how to do it. And let's don't waste any more of your time. Let me show you how. First, if you want to add a game activity here, just go in user settings next to your headphones and go in game activity, and make sure you enable this option, display currently running game, as a status message. If you didn't enable it, just enable it now. And if you want to add actually some game here to appear below your nickname, to your username, and to saying that you're playing something, just click here, add it. And let's say we want to add Microsoft Store, yeah. So add a game, and as you can see now, I'm playing Microsoft Store. But if you want to rename it, just click on the name here, and let's say want to rename it, yeah. Let's say nothing. I'm playing nothing, and I'll save it. And as you can see now, my playing status is playing nothing. So that was it, how to create a custom playing status on your Discord. And it was very easy and simple, as I told you. If you're finding this video helpful, you can give it a like, and also don't be hesitate to leave your problems, to leave your questions down below the video, and I'll try to respond in a few days if I can. And see you next video. Bye.